What's up guys, and today we're gonna play Real Racing 3 Part 87. And in Part 87 we're gonna play the Commodore VF Championship. And we're gonna do a head-to-head with the Holden Commodore VF, made in 2017. We're against JKR. Oh, against the car that's identical to me. Wait, 34 and 33. What number am I? Oh, I'm the 33. JKR's the 34. I'm the better racer, not you, JKR. I'm gonna win this, no problem. Oh, got an achievement, burning rubber. Oh, there's only a little scrape. I think that car will get used to it. Oh my goodness, another achievement, extreme acceleration. And we won. Oh, another achievement. Not a scratch. That was cool. The car was fresh and new without being bashed about or crashed about in the racetrack. That was awesome. Oh my goodness, another 3. Oh my goodness, I got a lot of gold coins today. I don't want to rate you, Real Racing 3. But anyways, please comment, like and subscribe for more videos.